When it comes to starships and SpaceX, it is safe to say that Elon Musk is making life in itself a multi-planetary exploration of dreams. Today, we're taking you on a virtual tour of SpaceX's launch facilities, the epicenters where humanity's future takes flight. Buckle up because we're about to explore the grounds where dreams are launched into the cosmos. Our first stop is Starbase, but you should know that this isn't just any launch pad. It's a testament to Elon Musk's audacious vision for pushing the boundaries when it comes to space travel and rocket launching. But before we explore the wonders of Starbase, let's rewind a bit to the history of this jaw-dropping facility. Did you know Starbase is located in Boca Chica Village, Texas? Back in 1967, Boca Chica Village was known as Kennedy Shores, a notably small town which was just over a mile from Boca Chica Beach. Fast forward to 2014, when SpaceX began its search for a private launch site for their Falcon 9 and Falcon Heavy rockets. The search ultimately led to Boca Chica, Texas, and it was a match made in space heaven. The history of SpaceX's journey in Boca Chica is a long one. All the reasons why Elon Musk chose the Boca Chica site in South Texas are actually fascinating. First off, the site is known to be closer to the equator, which inevitably means that rockets can easily take full advantage of the Earth's natural spin to boost away from Earth's gravity. Aside from that, operations in Texas seem to be a lot easier when it came to regulations. Unlike other facilities such as the Kennedy Space Center, there'd be more room for a private company such as SpaceX to operate freely. This vast facility is dedicated to the development and testing of Starship, the fully reusable launch vehicle designed for deep space exploration. Here, towering structures like the high bay house the Starship assembly, while the launch pad and landing zones stand ready to support future orbital and beyond missions. Let's go over the sections of the launch complex in Boca Chica. The complex can be roughly described through the use of two zones, the twin suborbital launch pads, call them Pad A and Pad B. We'll begin our journey at the high bay, where giant sections of Starship are meticulously welded together. The high bay is a massive building which acts as the birthplace of Starship. Here, engineers meticulously assemble the Starship using advanced welding techniques and cutting-edge materials. As we move outside, we can witness the launch pad standing tall, dwarfing everything around it. The launch pad is specifically designed for Starship's unique needs. It features a launch table that can tilt and swivel, allowing for optimized trajectories depending on the mission. Imagine the sound of a thundering roar as Starship ignites its Raptor engines for liftoff. Next, we head to the engine test stand, where the fiery power of the Raptor engines is a sight to behold. This powerful stand allows SpaceX engineers to put the heart of Starship through its paces, ensuring optimal performance before liftoff. Finally, let's explore the landing zones, where Starship and its Super Heavy booster aim for a dramatic touchdown after completing their mission. Starbase features two primary landing zones for Starship prototypes. Landing Pad 1, LZ-1. This concrete pad is located closest to the launch site and has been used for the early prototype hop tests of Starship. It's a circular pad with a central pillar to support the vehicle during landing. Landing Pad 2, LZ-2. Situated further downrange from the launch site, LZ-2 is a larger concrete pad designed for future Starship and Super Heavy booster landings. It has a wider diameter to accommodate the larger footprint of the full Starship stack, and may have additional features to handle the more powerful thrust of the Super Heavy booster. By successfully testing landings at Starbase, SpaceX paves the way for future orbital missions and deep space exploration using the Starship launch system. From all that we've described, it's pretty easy to tell that Starbase is known to be a bustling hub of activity, with dedicated teams working across various functions. Elon Musk has publicly stated his ambitious goal of achieving orbital flight with Starship by the end of 2024. Recent high-altitude test flights have shown promising results, with Starship reaching incredible altitudes and achieving controlled landings. The success of these tests brings the dream of a fully reusable Starship closer to reality. Now, let's make our way downtown to other launch sites. Over the years, SpaceX has leased launch facilities across the United States, strategically chosen for their proximity to the equator and established space infrastructure. Our next stop would be the Cape Canaveral Space Force Station, Florida, SLC-40. Leased in 2008, SLC-40 has seen numerous Falcon 9 and Falcon Heavy launches, including missions carrying cargo to the International Space Station, ISS, and historic Crew Dragon astronaut flights. The Cape Canaveral station features a strong back structure that supports the rocket during fueling and liftoff. Also, SpaceX's iconic Landing Zone 1, LZ-1, is nearby where Falcon 9 first-stage boosters return for dramatic landings. More recently, SpaceX has launched 23 Starlink satellites from the Cape Canaveral Space Force Station. This only goes to show that the complex boasts a unique blend of historic charm and cutting-edge technology. The most prominent feature is the launch pad itself, a massive concrete structure that serves as the launch platform for the Falcon 9 rocket. Here's a little fun fact for you. You might see bright orange Tesla Model X's parked nearby. These electric vehicles transport astronauts to the launch pad in style and comfort. What could be possibly better than that? Then we have the Kennedy Space Center, Florida, LC-39A. A historic launch pad to say the least, this launch pad witnessed Apollo moon landings and space shuttle missions. LC-39A was leased by SpaceX in 2014. It's now used for Falcon 9 and Falcon Heavy launches. With a dedicated pad under construction for the behemoth Starship, it is primarily used for launching crew missions on the Crew Dragon spacecraft, as part of a public-private partnership with NASA. To top it all off, one of its key features is the iconic Vehicle Assembly Building, VAB, which is used for stacking rocket stages. If you're wondering what SpaceX's Kennedy Space Center looks like, let's give you a hint. The historical launch pad combines historical significance with modern technology. The towering launch towers, the powerful engines visible on the rocket, and the bustling activity create an atmosphere of awe and inspiration. It's a testament to the ongoing evolution of space exploration, where iconic launch pads like LC-39A are being adapted for a new generation of rockets and missions. The launch pad area houses two massive white launch towers that dominate the landscape. These structures provide access to the rocket for installation of the payload, Crew Dragon capsule, and fueling before launch. This launch pad witnessed the launch of Apollo missions to the moon and numerous space shuttle missions. When it comes to SpaceX modifications, SpaceX has managed to retain the core structure while making modifications to the launch pad and support systems to accommodate their Falcon 9 and Crew Dragon needs. If we're talking about future expansion, it is worthy to note that the ongoing construction of a dedicated Starship launch pad adds another layer of interest to the area. Imagine two distinct launch sites catering to different space vehicles within the same complex. SpaceX's launch facilities are more than just launch pads. They represent the company's relentless pursuit of innovation. From the early days in California to the cutting-edge facilities like Starbase, SpaceX's launch infrastructure has mirrored its own remarkable growth, paving the way for a future where humanity can explore the cosmos with greater affordability and efficiency. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.